Teamwork makes the dream work. As judges, we are looking for a good collaboration, a clear division of labor between client and counsel. So, good teamwork between client and counsel means that you go into the mediation really clear about what issues each of you are going to be dealing with in the course of the mediation. As the counsel, any legal issues, yep, that should be your ballpark. Any business related issues, yep, that's the responsibility of the client. One thing I've seen that has worked well is communication between client and counsel. Now, obviously, this is different when you're doing it online, but you can use the private chat for that. Is little post-its. Okay, so if you're not sure, you want to ask your counsel a question or your client a question or make a suggestion, you can scribble it down on a little post-it. Something like, "I think you should be talking more because I'm doing all the talking." Because one of the things I see, and I often have to bear that in mind when I score teams, is either the client or either the counsel, the advisor, doing a lot of the talking. So just have a little bit of an awareness and have some communication strategies between you that will enable you to indicate to each other if you have any concerns about one doing more talking than the other, because you want some kind of even distribution, not a 50-50, but just an opportunity where you bring each other into the mediation, giving us judges an opportunity and reasons to score you highly rather than reasons to give you lower scores. Teamwork makes the dream work.